Honky Tonk Way. This goes to Munsick's song, I See Country. This is becoming a really popular dance. It's an intermediate dance, 4-wall, clockwise rotation dance. All right, so we start with our weight on our left foot, and we're going to kind of pump with our right, just kind of up and down 2 times. And then we're going to do a right coaster step, and then we're going to kick front, side, and coaster step on the left. All right, so that's the first 8 counts. We're going to pump, coaster step, kick front, side, coaster step. All right, let's do it with the counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, piece of cake. All right, so now we're going to point our right to the side and kind of swivel kick and do a right coaster step. All right, we're gonna point, quarter kick, coaster step, stomp, and tap, tap. Kind of a little arm air guitar movement, which I'm not really good at it, but anyhow. So let's do that again. So it's point, kick, coaster, step, stomp, tap, tap, and then you're gonna do a half turn kick to your right. So you're facing 9 o'clock now. All right, so that is the whole 8 counts there. So it's point, 1, 2, 3, and 4, stomp, 5, tap, 6, 7, turn and kick 8. Okay, let's try that again with the counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8. All right, let's try it from the top. Ready? Pump, coaster step, front, side, coaster step, point side, kick, coaster step, stomp, tap, tap, turn, kick. All right, halfway through the dance. All right, so after you do that kick, you're going to walk forward. I know since we've already done like 3 coaster steps, you feel like you want to turn and do a coaster step, but that's not the case here. All right, so you did the kick, you're gonna step right, left, and then you're going to do an out, in, and in step, but the second in step with the left, you're gonna step in front. All right, let me back that up. So you ended with that kick, you're gonna walk forward, right, left, out, in. All right, and the count on that is very quick. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, let's do that again. Walk, 2, and 3, and 4. Now, the second part of this set of 8, you're gonna step out with your right and do a half turn pivot to 3 o'clock, and then you're going to do a 3/4 turn to the back wall to 6, and that's the end of that 8 count. All right, so that's a big turn. You're making 1 3/4 turn there. Now, one tip is you end up at the wall, opposite the wall you started it. So this time we started at 12 o'clock, so after you make that big turn, you should be facing 6 o'clock, the half turn from the wall you started on. All right, so let's do that 8 counts again. We're gonna walk, out, in, pivot a half, pivot 3/4. Weight is on your left foot. All right, let's do it again with the counts. Ready? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight's now on the left foot. All right, one more time. Ready? Walk, out, in, pivot half, pivot 3/4. Weight is on your left foot. All right, let's put it together from the top. Ready, pump, pump, coaster step, front, side, coaster step, point, kick, coaster step, stomp, tap, tap, turn, kick, walk, walk, out, out, in, pivot half, pivot 3/4. All right, okay, our last set of 8. We ended up with our weight on our left foot. We're facing 6 o'clock. We're gonna cross our right foot over the left, step out to the side with the left, and then you're going to do a right sailor step with a sway on the end. And then you're gonna sway to your left, sway to your right, step a 1/4 turn with your left, and scuff the right. All right, so let's try that again. Weights on the left foot. You cross over with your right, to the side with the left, right sailor step with a sway on the end, sway left, sway right, 1/4 turn, scuff. All right, let's do that again with the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, scuff, 8. All right, so let's try that again. We're gonna cross over, step out, sailor, sway, 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 1/4, brush. All right, so now you should be facing 3 o'clock. I don't know if you can see my numbers or not, I tried. So that's the end of the dance pattern. So it's a clockwise rotation, although during the pattern, you're hitting every wall in this dance. So I recommend really practicing the dance a lot before you move on to your second wall. All right, so let's try this from the top, all right? Ready, pump, pump, coaster step, kick front, side, coaster step, point side, kick, coaster step, stomp, tap, tap, turn, kick, walk, walk, out, out, in, pivot half, pivot 3/4, step over, out, sailor, sway, 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 1/4, brush. All right, let's do it one more time with the counts. All right, so I'm just cueing it with the counts. So if you don't have it down yet, rewind and practice a little more. All right, and it's a good thing when you're learning this dance to really count when you're doing it to the music, going through it, because it helps keep you on track. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try the side wall. Wall 2, ready. Pump, pump, coaster step, kick front, side, coaster step, point, kick, coaster step, stomp, tap, tap, turn, kick, walk, walk, out, out, in, pivot half, pivot 3/4, over, out, sailor, sway, 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 1/4, brush. All right. Now we're at wall 3. Let me do the next 2 walls consecutively, all right? Ready, pump, pump, coaster step, kick front, side, coaster step, point side, kick, coaster step, stomp, tap, tap, turn, kick, walk, walk, out, out, in, pivot half, pivot 3/4, over, out, sailor, sway, 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 1/4, brush, pump, pump, coaster step, front, side, coaster step, point, kick, coaster step, stomp, tap, tap, turn, kick, walk, walk, out, out, in, pivot half, pivot 3/4, over, out, sailor, sway, 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 1/4, brush. Let me tell you about the restart. The restart's towards the end of the song where the music kind of slows down and it's about to restart again. So I think it's wall 12, like the third time you get to the front. So you're just finishing up the side wall. You know, you did your sailor sway, 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 turn, brush. You're going to hear it about here, and you're going to cross your right over your left and unwind. So it's 4 counts. So you do that brush and cross, unwind. If you don't want to do that turn, you could probably just do a right jazz box because it's a 4 count. So I would just 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about it. I recommend you just practice. Practice at the first wall for a while, and then wall 2, and then try putting them together and go from there. Here's the demo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a shot at some hang for the bad days. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's restart. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 'Thanks for dancing with me.